Divide 984 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting, we get 1. So now, this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 8 and it is 18. 4 times 4 is 16. On subtracting, we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting, we get 0. So 984 divided by 4 is 246. So this much for today and thanks for watching.